Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am back with a project. You know, I just recently uploaded a video where I made some cards using this Hunckydory card making collection. I mean, I love it, okay? There were like 4 different designs. They had all these designers using the products, and so I'm going to put a link to the video that I did the other day, and you can go by and check those out. That was the video response to So Goodall's Work With It Wednesday, because this has been here and I pulled it out and never used it, so I made some more cards because I needed more birthday cards or cards that could be used for birthday cards. And I actually did make this card here. So this time I used the Eiffel Tower, and so I used that one. And what other image? I used the image with the girl shopping. I had used some of those in the other books, but so I used her because a couple of the sheets of paper had her on it, so I did that. I used one that had a bicycle. I mean, so it was just so much that could be done with this kit that I was truly impressed, okay? Truly impressed. So I am going to show you my cards. I still haven't used that die set yet, but I did use Eiffel Tower, and you know, like I said, I only did one that was directly from the book. So first, let me show you this one. So this, I used this die set from Paper Tray Ink that Veronica gifted me, and I love it. And that is what that die looks like. Sorry for the glare, because silver is a big thing, and also gold is a big thing in this kit. So then you have the shopping girl, and this just says, wishing you a lovely birthday. And then the thinner paper, which is just like regular office copy paper or something, is thin, just had like a lighter version of that picture. So then I'm just gonna stamp or write a message here, but it's gonna be a birthday card, as you can see, and so I'm gonna stamp my stamp here. And this is one of those sheets of paper that was the really thick paper. I mean, I love this paper. So that is the first one. Now the second one, I have not put a sentiment on it, and this is using a bicycle, but I did put a piece in the inside. Like I said, put the sentiment here or write something, but I'm just not sure yet who I want. I got a birthday coming up and I may want to use that, so I'll probably use a different sentiment on it. So then that's that one. And then we have this one, and you know what, I didn't do the insides. I have got to figure out what I'm going to put on the inside. I think I have another sheet with that, and this one just says enjoy the ride, and I would do something birthday, you know, birthday on the inside. But this is the one where I actually duplicated the card from the book. And this was the whole sheet, and I just folded it. Because it is from the UK, they have different sizing, so I just basically had to resize it to fit my envelopes and stuff, because this is a 5x7. If I had used it using the centimeters or what they use for their measurements, then I wouldn't have had envelopes to fit. So I resized it and made it a 5x7, and it just says, this is a birthday card, and it just says enjoy your special day. And then on the inside here it says with love. I really love how this one turned out. And like I said, once again, I will be stamping the back. And those are my cards, guys. I am really excited. So over this weekend I have done, basically completed 7 cards. And yeah, got a lot more to go though, because I would really like to kill this kit. Okay, so I will be trying to work on that for the rest of the week, trying to get that completed, because there are still two more designs. There's the perfume bottle, and there's the stamp set, so there's so much more that can be done. But these, I think I'm going to try to do some ATCs with these items here. So these are some of the bits and pieces that are left. So I am definitely going to be trying to use up everything that is left over. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, tell your friends about it. But yeah, and I will chat with you in the next video. Bye.